There are a few ways that you can tell if your OneDrive is set up and synced correctly. I'm going to explore a few different areas so that you can check the settings on your computer. One, you should be able to go down to your File Explorer button, and you should see your OneDrive account listed in the navigation pane. When you click on this drive, if you see folders and files that you've created in the cloud, then you know at least that this location on your hard drive is synced to the location that is stored in the cloud. This connection would allow me to create folder structures and save files here on my computer's hard drive, but if I'm on the go, I can log into OneDrive.com and I would be able to see those folders and files. If you click the OneDrive link and it's not signed in, it will prompt you to sign into OneDrive. Another method that you can use to sign into OneDrive is just to go down to your Start button and scroll down to the O's and look for OneDrive there. And if you click on OneDrive there and it doesn't recognize an account with it, it's going to prompt you to sign in that way as well. Once you're signed in, it's always going to see your account. The second thing is you should be able to open up any Microsoft product and be able to create a document and save it to that location. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Word. And I'm going to get a blank document, and I'm just going to call this test file. And when I choose File, Save As, I should see my OneDrive account listed there. This is the account that I want, and I'm going to call this test file. I can go into more options and I would be able to look at all the different locations that I might want to save. So if I wanted to go into this folder and save my test file in there, I can do that. So now that is saved, and if I go to my File Explorer and I look at the OneDrive account, and I go into this folder, there's my test file. Now you can see that this green check mark right here is showing that it has been synced. So now if I close out of everything on my desktop, I'm going to go to my internet browser here and open up Google Chrome, and I'm going to log in to OneDrive.com, and I'm going to go ahead and sign in. And this is the online account, and I'm currently working in the cloud. If I were to go into my Office 365 folder where I saved the test file, there's the test file that we just saved onto the desktop. So it's pretty easy to be able to tell if you have everything synced and signed up. What you want to do is you want to check a couple of different things. You want to log into OneDrive.com and make sure you're signed in with your account. Then you want to go down here and scroll down to OneDrive and make sure you're signed in using the same exact account. Okay, and then you want to open up any one of your Microsoft products. Once you sync one Microsoft product, they're all synced. So I'm going to go ahead and go into a blank document, but then I'm going to show you this. You can go down from here, File, and you can choose Account. And up here is where you would sign into the account that you want to be saving your work to, your OneDrive account. If you're not signed in, you would click Sign In and you would use that account. So those are the three things that you need to check.